ARCAN Waterproof, your specialist for waterproofing and innovative products. We deliver systems and materials for waterproof buildings. Are you looking for the perfect injection resin? Welcome to the world of HydroBloc injection. HydroBloc integral systems are professional, high-quality, single-component injection resins. Forget your knowledge about injection resins. Accelerator, reaction starter, B component. All well-known problems connected to them are a thing of the past with integral resins. One component integral. Simply brilliant. Simply integral. 3 different resins are actually available. HydroBloc 575 integral is valuable after the curing process. This means it starts growing in contact with water. HydroBloc 510 integral is a classic Waterstop form. HydroBloc 620 integral is a Hydroactive form. This presentation demonstrates the Hydroactive foam resin HydroBloc 620 integral. We simulate the situation, humid crack or joint. We want to demonstrate the self-injection ability of the resin. 620 integral is low viscosity and easy to inject in small cracks and structures. We spray water on the surface to simulate the situation in the building material. We use a normal spray bottle with normal water. We apply some resin directly on the wet surface. After that, a glass plate is placed on top and loaded with weight while foaming takes place, meanwhile the hydroactive phase. The foaming or reaction process continues for at least 20 minutes, which is shown in our time lapse. In this period of time, the foam moves itself into fine pores and cracks. It injects itself. This is called the hydroactive effect. The resin creeps itself into the structure and reaches far away areas which couldn't reach compared to a simple injection. The arising foam is fine-structured, closed-celled and waterproof. This means no past injection is necessary. 620 integral don't bother with the inconvenient mixing of A and B component or the addition of smelly accelerators. Work could be started at once after lifting the cap of the bottle. Integral resins enclose a blocked hardener which takes off in contact with humidity. This starts the reaction and the curing process. More humidity leads to a faster reaction. Humidity is always available in building materials, sometimes more and sometimes less, but always enough for a safe and secure reaction. One of the typical problems with 2-component resins is the extremely short setting time in high temperature surroundings. This problem doesn't apply on integral systems because they are unaffected by temperature. Only the available humidity defines the length of the curing process. You don't need any preparations, just open the bottle and start working. HydroBloc 620 integral is suitable for all typical sealing jobs, such as crack sealing, sealing of rock pockets, working joints and injection tubes. Hydroactive effect means self-injection. The reaction is finished and the resin set. It reached its final strength. We remove the weight and lift the stone with the glass plate. No break. This demonstrates the excellent adhesion of the resin. The pores and the structure of the resin are absolutely waterproof, and with just one material, the leakage is definitely sealed. The benefits of integral resins are: they are quite simple, ready to use, single component, no mixing, no mistakes. Single component integral, simply brilliant, simply integral. Always one step ahead with ARCAN Waterproof. Do you want to know more about our products? Do you have questions? Speak to us. Our team in Bobenheim is always at your service.